Hello students, good morning. See, in a previous video we have seen the concept of acceleration and the various types of acceleration and example based on that acceleration. See, what is acceleration? Acceleration is nothing but the change in velocity with respect to time. If velocity changes with respect to time, then the object said to be in accelerated motion. It having mainly 5 types. Which 5 types? First one is the uniform acceleration, second one is the non-uniform acceleration, third one is the positive acceleration, fourth one is the negative acceleration, and fifth one is the zero acceleration. All this information we have already seen in a previous video. See, uniform acceleration. What is mean by uniform acceleration? We have seen. What is positive acceleration? Velocity increases, positive acceleration. Velocity decreases, negative acceleration. Negative acceleration also called as deceleration, or deceleration is also called as decelerations. Then zero acceleration. There is no change in velocity. Velocity does not increases nor decreases, remains as it is. See, in this video we are going to learn, or we will study about how to draw a graph. There is one activity in your book. I have already told you, your book is activity based book. In this video we are going to learn the distance time graph for uniform motion. See, distance time graph for uniform motion. Many of students can't draw a proper graph, and that's why you lose your marks in exam. See, very easy to draw a graph. There is no any kind of difficulty. I will teach you how to draw a graph. See, but what is the heading of our point in today's lecture? Distance time graph for uniform motion. See, here is the one word, that is nothing but the uniform motion, and all of you know that what is mean by uniform motion. If an object changes its place or moving equal time interval in a equal distance. If object changes equal distance in equal time interval, then object said to be in a uniform motion. And opposite to uniform motion, non-uniform motion. In this video we are going to learn how to draw a distance time graph for a uniform motion. Very important word, uniform motion. See, here is the one activity, or I give one example for this you to draw a graph. See, what is the activity? See, the following table shows. What shows? The distance covered by a car in a fixed time interval. Then draw the graph of a distance against time. In that, time along x-axis and distance along y-axis. See, what is the activity here? What is the given data here? The following table shows. What shows? The distance covered by a car in a fixed time interval. See, if the distance covered by car in a fixed time interval is equal distance, the car is said to be in a uniform motion, because all of you know that when the object changes its place with respect to equal time interval, equal distance, known as uniform motion. Means here is the motion of car is uniform motion. See, then draw the graph of draw the graph of distance against time. What we want to draw? Distance against time. In that, time along x-axis and distance along y-axis. I will show you how to draw a graph. Before that, first of all, we will see the given data. See, here is the time. Time always taken in a second. See, 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70 and 80. Time changes with equal time interval. Here is the difference of 10 seconds. In each time cover 10 second difference. So, time is equal, and this in this equal time, the distance covered by car, distance shows in a meter, and the distance covered by car is 15:13. When time 10 seconds, 0 to 10 seconds, the distance covered by car is a 15 meter. After that, when the time is a 20 seconds, car cover 30 meter, means each 10 seconds car cover 15 meter distances. See, here is the 15, here is the 13, here is the 45, here is the 60, here is the 75, here is the 90, here is the 105, and here is the 120. See, in case of Amar, Akbar and Anthony, Amar and Anthony covered equal distances in equal time interval. Therefore, the motion of that both persons are said to be uniform motion. Like this, here is a graph for uniform motion. Time, equal time interval, distance covered by car is a equal. See, then how the draw graph? How to draw the graph? There is a first essentiality. You must write here name of axis. See, these are horizontal line. On this axis, we can write here, or we write here x-axis. Okay, here y-axis. Clear? This is your graph. Consider this is your graph. Here is the y-axis. See, on y-axis, distance along y-axis. Here we draw distance because the given data said draw the distance along y-axis and draw time along x-axis. See, only see, here is the unit for time is, I write second, and for unit of distance is a meter. Distance in a meter. See, clear? Don't see, clear? Two things. First of all, here is the y-axis and here is the x-axis. On y-axis, we want to calculate, sorry, on y-axis here distance is a draw, and on x-axis time is a taken. See, after that, when we plot a graph, there is a essentiality of must you have to write the scale. See, how to write scale? 0, here is the 0, and 1 centimeter, here is the blocks. 1 centimeter of blocks are here, like here also 1 centimeter, and each 1 centimeter consists of 10 lines. All of you know that. See, on x-axis, what we can write here? On x-axis, we write the time. Time in a second, that is nothing but the 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 10, 20, again I write here, see, here is the 10, 1 centimeter, on 1 centimeter 20, on again next 1 centimeter 30, again next 1 centimeter 40. Like this, here is also, see, now distances is 10 second. At that time distance covered by car is a 15 meter. Therefore 0, after 0, here is the on 1 centimeter 15 meter distance. Next 1 centimeter is the 13 meter distance. Next 1 centimeter is the 45 meter distance, and onwards. See, clear? Now how the scale is written. On x-axis 1 centimeter is equal to how much time? On x-axis, time is here, time given in a second. Therefore, on x-axis we can write here 1 centimeter is equal to 10 seconds. See, and y-axis we can write 1 centimeter is equal to how much? 15 meter. See, clear how to write scale? See, now we are start to draw a graph. See, first point 0 and 0, x-axis also 0, on y-axis also 0. So the point of first point is 0. We can plot here 0 and 0. See, when you draw the graph, your pencil must be sharpened. This is a point number first. See, second point 10 centimeter and 15 centimeter. See, here is the 10 centimeter on x-axis and time distance for 10 seconds is the 15 meter. Second point is the 20 and 30. Here is the 20 and here is the 20 and here is the 30. Okay, and third one is the 30 and 45. Here is the 30 and 45 means the point here. Okay, on this here. Now join these all 4 points with the help of scale. See, with the help of scale we can join these points. 20, here is the 20. See, when such kind of line we obtained in our graph, that graph is known as a uniform motion graph. See, opposite case occur in case of non-uniform motion. The line occur is not a straight line. In uniform motion, line always occur a straight line. See, so in this video we are learn how to draw a graph for distance and time. Thank you.